So in order to save time for today's live, I had to prepare these 2 tags, which is what we'll be working on. My scissors won't cut, because that's going to be the back. So I'm just doing a quick video of what the backs will look like so that we can turn it over and work on the front during the live. So I've decided to use this foil to work on the back. And I have 2 of them. I have the red one and the blue one. Because I don't like these tags being left backless without any paint or any color. I need to seal these before turning them over. And as you can see, we're left with a virtual clean slate. On this one, I'm using Sky Blue. I'm going to do the same thing. Let me just move that over. And put this in the middle. I hate the fact that my scissors all don't seem to want to cut. And when we come back to the live, we will be working on the front. Because we're going to do something different with them. Doesn't that look beautiful? There's one. I'm going to use semi-gloss to cover them, and I need a thin brush, not a thin, but a smooth brush. So that will not take the shine away. I'm going to leave these to dry. Oops. And work on the front, because I need to do the same thing again, and that's apply a sealer. Apply foil adhesive. I'll probably give this in a couple of coats. And when we come back for the live at 11:30, these will be ready. Now this is the front that we're going to be working on. But again, I want to apply some foils to this. So I have to apply the foil adhesive. Just want to clean this up. These have been painted first with chalk paint, and I will show those in detail during the live. The colors and what kind of paints. They've had an accident here and an accident there, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to apply foil adhesive, and if there are any yuckies or boogers, we're going to remove them. Oops. I'm just removing any boogers that I see. I'm being very careful to make sure that my edges are well covered. And my foil adhesive is yucky. It's got some dried bits, and it's my fault. I mixed two different jars of foil adhesive. Well, one old one, and I added it to my newer one, not realizing that there were boogers in it. So that's one done, and it's 8:40. So let's see, hopefully by the time I do the live, it will be ready. The weather is not that great, it's a little bit damp still. So I'm definitely giving them more time than I would if the weather was not humid. There's some humidity in the air. I'm going to show you my tent, and that's what I cover with. Just want to add a little bit more here. We're going to cover those up, and you'll see how I've covered them. And then I'll see you at 11:30, at 11. So this is what I use to cover them up. And I have a little bit here that's not covered, but it'll work. See you at 11:30.